Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff.
That's it.
What is it?
We have some Fast and Furious coins, Michael.
Excellent.
But have these ones arrived fast and furiously? I don't know. I think we've been waiting for these ones for a while. So
these were ordered before Christmas.
Very belated Christmas present for yourself, Michael.
Yeah, something like that.
All right. The really important question, Michael, as we're tearing into this. How many Fast and Furious movies have you seen?
All of them.
Okay, that's more than me.
The whole franchise.
There you go.
Even the offshoots.
Even the offshoots, all right.
Even the offshoots. I'll see I have teenage boys.
I was trying to think before. I think I've seen probably the first 3 or 4, but after that, I think it got a little bit too crazy and wacky for my taste.
Yeah, some of them are a bit out there, I have to admit. But look, when these came up, what the heck, I thought these would be great.
Bit of flavour to the stack.
Yeah, like it's something. We didn't bring too many in. We only brought one box in, but they're just something different to charge it up a bit. No pun intended.
Look at him go.
But this also, we've highlighted this once before. You can see here just in transport sometimes. I'm trying to spin this around. You can see that sometimes the tubes open themselves. So these have never been opened. This is a brand new monster box. But you can see in transport sometimes tubes open themselves. So when you receive a tube, sometimes there's tapes on them and things like that, and they're slightly busted or they've popped like that. It doesn't mean we've opened the tube quite often. It just means that in transport they've wriggled around.
These look like a little bit of a unique tube. I haven't quite seen one like this before. It's kind of a little bit more square.
Is it hinged? Obviously not, because that one's just popped straight off the top. This is a strange tube.
Just talking more about the tube than the actual exciting silver inside.
No, the silver will be good inside. Even if it is a Dodge.
You're going to offend everyone right off the bat.
Well, see, I'm a Ford boy, so, there's only so much you can say about the old Dodge. I've got Brett leaning into the room going, don't you insult my Dodge.
Don't you insult the Dodgers.
So these are an interesting tube. They're a straight tube, like a normal tube, but they've
just pulled out all the coins directly out of the tube. All right.
Sleeve lined them. So, as you can see, it's actually a really cool coin. I actually quite like the coin. It's got the Dodge Charger on the front.
Yep.
The good old Fast and Furious, as it says, and I can't read the scriptive writing there, mate.
Quarter mile at a time.
There you go.
We have a quote from Dominic, the character played by Vin Diesel.
Yeah. And then over the page, we've got Samoa. So they are a coin, they're not a round.
Yep. The $2 face value.
And look, they're a fun coin. They're not, this isn't something that you're going to, stack 5,000 of or anything along those sort of lines. Well, I mean,
there is only 5,000 of these in existence, so you might find that a little bit hard to get a hold of them all. But
there you go. So look, you can stack these types of things, but really we bring these sorts of things in just for a bit of fun. Add a few to your stack, give them away to the kids or, friends that you're trying to talk to about stacking and things like that. So they're a great one for that, a great conversation starter. So they're a lot of fun. We don't have a lot of them, like I said. They won't sell. Ruben hates it when I say this.
Don't say.
They won't sell out overnight.
Don't commit to any amount of time, please.
But they will sell fairly quickly. They will be fairly popular. And look, they're just all round good fun. So grab them while you can.
Good stuff. All right, thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.